Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. In this video, we are going to discuss how we can set up Atom editor for Java development on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. In order to set up Atom ID for Java development, first of all, we have to install Java JDK. So I already have a video on how you can install Java JDK 17 on Windows 11. So you can watch this video to know how you can install the latest version of Java JDK. So you will get the video link in the I button, or you will get the video link in the description box. And after that, you have to download Atom editor. For that, simply search for Atom on your browser and open the link from atom.io. Let me tell you that Atom is a free and open source text and source code editor. You can use this Atom editor to run your Java program. Now to download, simply click on the link. So this is the official website from where you can download Atom. Now to download Atom for Windows 11, simply click on download option and it will download an installer file which is around 190 MB. So let me complete the download process, and after that I'll show you how you can set up Atom IDE for Java development. Our download has been completed. Now just open this installer file. So here we have the installer. Let me minimize the browser. It will automatically install and launch Atom editor on your Windows 11 computer. So here you can see our Atom editor has been successfully installed on our Windows 11 computer. If you're not getting Atom ID, then you can simply search for Atom ID on this search option. So this is the welcome screen. Here we have all the options such as open project, version control with Git and GitHub, collaboration with teletype, install package, choose themes, and other customization option. But we want to use this Atom editor for our Java programming. For that, let me close all this window. Let me maximize the editor. Now here click on File, then click on Settings. And here simply look for Install option. In order to run Java program on Atom editor, we have to install one package. So here search for one package called script. Then click on this package option. So this is the script package. With the help of this script package, we can run codes on Atom. Now to install, simply click on this install button. While it's installing, you can also check script description. So you can use this script package to run this programming language. Here we have C, C#, C++, HTML, Java and JavaScript. Here you can see our script package has been installed on Atom editor. Now let me show you how you can create your first Java project using Atom editor. For that, simply click on File, then click on New File, and after that you have to save this file. To save your file, simply click on File option, then click on Save As, and here you have to name your Java file. Say for example test.java. .java is the Java extension for Java programming. Then click on Save. So here we have test.java file. Now here let me write some code. So here I have a simple code that will print hello world on our console. Let me tell you that your class name and your file name should be same. Now to run this code, first of all you have to save your file. For that, simply click on File, then click on Save. And after that, simply click on Packages, and here click on Script, then click on Run Script, and it will run your Java code on your Atom editor. So this way you can set up Atom editor for Java programming. So that's it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.